The Israeli Supreme Court is extremely unusual from an institutional structural perspective, and this is what lends it so much of its power, because the Israeli Supreme Court is, first of all, as High Court of Justice, the court of first and last instance for almost any legal challenge to executive action, and of course any constitutional challenge, so-called constitutional challenge to legislative action, to laws. So you have one single tier for many of these, for the most contentious and most important, essentially, legal controversies in the country. The justices themselves who are on the Supreme Court have enormous influence, often decisive influence, and a veto power on who joins them on the bench. The court essentially invented an Israeli constitution. It essentially constitutionalized a set of statutes which were not and remain not remotely a constitution, and on the basis of that decision proceeded to annul, to invalidate primary legislation. One of the first lessons for the American system, which comes out of that, is that both the legislature and the public themselves cannot be complacent about these issues. You need a robust reaction to judicial lawlessness in a way that doesn't let it snowball and gain momentum, because the more momentum it gains, the harder it is to stop.